What's up? Ni hao, ¿cómo está? Arigato, bonjour, chintao. How's everybody doing?
Hello, everybody. Ooh, almost ran over that thing.
We're gonna go on another hiking adventure today, but right now we're gonna do a quick pit stop and put some fuel in this baby. And complete. Let's go. So I'm in the process of teaching this girl how to correctly drive a vehicle, a motored vehicle.
I know how to drive.
Because you know how girls are, they're a little bit dangerous behind the wheel, so gotta bring some snacks.
Listen, when we were dating,
Yeah.
and I would tell you, come right now, and you're like, don't come, and you take forever to get ready. And then I'd call you like 10 minutes later, Ben, where are you? We are here.
What's the next step?
Go into another vehicle.
Going to another vehicle. Out there.
Can you get it?
I have my hands full.
There, can you get it? Here, here's our vacuum.
We just got a free vacuum.
Look, she
So-
wants
She
you.
does. Everybody wants me to come here.
Here, fix this. I don't know how to do this. I'm gonna party. Gonna party. Chest. Body. Oh my god, chest.
And we are on our way.
Why so close? It's blurry. You guys want to see a better view of that? Look, my shoe. That's such a more view than that.
We just arrived at the site. We just arrived at this beautiful place. Look at the background. Look how just beautiful it is. We're going down the river, guys. I just washed these shoes literally a couple days ago.
Okay, so this is how you wash cilantro the Mexican way. So
If you want, we
first-
could do a separate tutorial about that.
First, you need a little stream.
Okay.
Next,
Ooh, I got a message. What is that?
you gotta find a way not to fall and die. Make sure the cilantro is
No,
not
it's my
soaked.
cousin.
Okay, look.
That would suck.
Salt, water. You
Oh my god.
clean it out of dirt. Cilantro wet.
I hope it falls in there.
No. A little bit more.
I cannot believe you're like washing that with river water.
How they used to do it back in the day.
They never did this back in the day. I actually want to drink. I'm so thirsty.
It looks so good.
I know Joke want to drink that. All right. Oh, what's up? There's two little does over there. She's looking at me. They want the apples. We got my buddy over here trying to feed these wild antelope. Oh, he's scaring them away. Oh, she like it. What are you doing, Chips? Lend me your hands. Hi.
We're at McDonald's.
We've been fat all day today. I gotta lose some weight.
We have.
If you guys haven't subscribed yet,
Please do.
I don't even have to tell you what to do anymore. Like, should I even tell you?
You have
Is that
never
even
told
necessary?
them to do that.
Is that even necessary? Stay in
Let's
school. Don't do drugs. J. Cole, KOD. You already know how it is. We're thinking of doing our apartment tour. It's not big at all whatsoever by any means. So I guess some people have like an interest in seeing other people's apartments for some reason. Please subscribe.
Please.
Like the video. Logging out. Mini breads
Are out of the oven.
Ding.